on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And today's video is all about the Makeup Blowout Sale or Makeup Blowout Group. So I went and purchased some things from them. They were here in Sacramento. So if you want to see what I picked up, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, I'm so excited because the Makeup Blowout Sale Group was here in Sacramento this weekend, and I was so excited to go check them out and see what goodies I could pick up. And as you know, your girl, yes, spent some coin. So I'm going to go through the items that I picked up. I know the price on majority of the items, but some of them I do not know the price. And the receipt is on my cell phone, which is charging because I'm going to be leaving pretty soon. So, yeah. So some of them I know the price, some of them I don't. But first up we have this, it's by Double Dare, and it won the Best of Beauty Glamour. For 2017, and it's this headband. It's called the Mega Headband, and it has OMG on there. Super cute. Ooh, upside down, huh? Right there. Super cute. My daughter definitely wants to play with this, but she just is a headband with a big bow that says OMG. Just too cute, okay? So, you know, when you're doing your makeup and stuff like that, or your skincares, if you're doing facials and stuff, this is really good to have. So me and my daughter will be sharing this. So this was nice that I got for free. Next up, I got, this is by Beauty Creations. It's a gel eyeliner. It's long lasting and waterproof, and it goes on smooth, and the color is black. So what I liked about the makeup group is that they had testers of everything that was there, so you can test it. And I tested this on my skin, and yeah, it was nice. I had to get it off with a makeup remover. So yeah. And then next up, I got, this is by She. It's a liquid eyeline pencil, and this is new. It's called Accurate. It's called Accurate, if I can say it correctly. And it's waterproof and long lasting. And you know, I got this in black. And when I tested this out on my skin, like, yeah, it came out really, really nice and dark and pigmented. Way better than the liquid eyeliner that I'm using now. So I was really excited to try this out. Okay, next up, I got, this is by Amuse. It's a cleansing spray, cleaning spray, quick dry, pro finish. And basically, you just spray this on your makeup brushes several times, wipe them gently to clean the brush, to remove the makeup, and let it dry. And that's all you have to do. But that's what I was like, oh, this is something easy where I don't have to like do too much. And yeah, I wanted to try this out and see if it actually works. So this was nice, and this was $5. No, this was $4. And then I got, this was free. This is by Mika Bella Cosmetics, and it's an eye shimmer powder eyeshadow in violet. So this is her, and this did come free as well because they were giving out free eyeshadows if you stated that you were going to come to the event. It's not open, and I don't feel like getting dirty right now because, like I said, I'm going to be leaving in a little bit to go to a concert. So a little jazz concert, nothing too major, but yeah, it's in violet, so I can't wait to test this out. We'll definitely play with this in a video. And then next up, this is by Amuse as well. It's the waterproof lengthening mascara, and this is super cute. If you guys did not know, my vanity is silver, my bedroom is silver and purple, so I thought this would go cute on my vanity. And I really, really liked how the bristles look. Like, look at that, super nice, big. And yeah, I wanted to try this out. Okay, so let's see. Next up, oh, and the mascara was $5. Next up is some nail art nails that my daughter got. She picked up. These were $2. So yeah, for her to play around with in the house, you know what I'm saying? And then, what else did I get? I'm trying to get all the little things first. Alright, my daughter got this little lip balm. It comes inside of, it looks like it's a pig. Yeah, it's a pig. Yeah, it's a lip balm. And you twist her and open her up. And look, it's kind of like a knockoff of the EOS. If I'm saying that correctly. But she smells really, really good and edible. So that was really cute and nice. And that was $2. And then I picked up some little hair clips, which I thought was, ooh, super cute. Y'all know I love butterflies. I have them tattooed on my body. And so I picked up these little hair clips. And you know I like pink. So I'm going to start doing those. And then I picked up this little flower one, which is so cute and dainty. Like, yes. Hunty, you know what, I'm trying to be extra because I got some little extra outfits in there, boo, that these will go with, okay? Let's see. What else do I have that is little? Oh, we got this free lip gloss. It's by Colleen Color Madly Matte lip gloss. And does this say the shade Bubblegum? This is in Bubblegum. It's a free lip gloss, and my daughter picked this out, so I was going to let her play. You know, I already have plenty of lip glosses and lipsticks, so I was like, look, I ain't got time to just be stacking, and then it don't get used, you know. I won't want to waste my money and waste no products and stuff. And then I got some palettes. So this palette is the Eye Bloom palette by Beauty Creations that I picked up, and this palette was $8. So let me open her up for you guys so you guys can see the colors. Oh my god, it was so pretty, so me. Had to get it. But these are the colors, you guys, and look at that. So beautiful, and definitely you can use these for fall or springtime. Super cute. I mean, you could really wear them any time of the year, but you know, they're blush, and they're mainly all shimmers. There's only one row of matte, so it's 4 mattes and 8 shimmers, and these are beautiful. These are my go-to every day. Yes, and then you see the mirror, y'all. It is a heart. That is so cute. We definitely gonna be playing with this palette. Yes, boo. We gonna be playing with this palette because she is cute. And for $8, that was not bad at all. Then next up, I got another palette by Beauty Creations called Cali Set. Which, you know, I'm in California. I was like, I have to buy this. And this was $8 as well. And I was like, I have to buy this. Or it could have been $6. I can't really remember. But I'll have the prices linked down below because when, you know, I upload this, I will be looking at the receipt then. But yes, this is so freaking beautiful. Definitely all my type of colors as well. Kind of, some of them are a little similar to the other palette, but not all of them. I don't think my lighting right now is giving these palettes justice. But yes, it's very beautiful. And it has a mirror, a little square mirror. But yes, just look at those. Very beautiful. And there is 4 mattes in here. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 4 shimmers. So it's very, very beautiful. Oh, these names are just so fucking cute and me. Cocktail, Calabasas, Valley Girl. If y'all don't know, I grew up in the Valley. You know what I'm saying? So I am a Valley girl. Hollywood, DTLA, Sassy, Melrose, Martini, and Westwood. This is me, boo. This is me. So we gonna definitely be playing with this one too and testing these shadows out and seeing how they do. Oh my gosh. So let's get into some more. So I did get another one from Beauty Creations called Cali Chic. So you know, I'm a Cali girl. I'm chic. You know what I'm saying? I'm chic. I'm a little ratchet. Little both. Hey, it is. I'm sassy, classy, and crazy. But hey, it kind of matches my little background I got going on today. But yes, this one is cute too. Definitely reminds me of fall and spring. I'm trying to get the little plastic off. Oh, they taped down the plastic this time. Let me get this off, y'all, so y'all can really see these colors and it don't be shining. Get this plastic off. So yes, definitely me. Very cute. Browns in here, neutral shimmers. There's a mustard color, orangey color. Yes, I am happy and pleased with this. This is more like brown neutrals. And yeah, I do brown neutrals. I like mauve colors and pink colors, purple. I mean, I do all of them, okay? So another palette that I got by Beauty Creations. I actually liked a lot of their stuff that was in there because they had a lot of different brands in there. But Beauty Creations seemed to be the one for me. But we're going to take this out. This one is the Tease Me. The Tease Me palette. So, ooh. Yes, very pretty. A lot of similar colors. I just can't help myself. These are me, okay? There we go. Like, definitely neutrals. Got them shimmers in there. But we gonna play with these palettes and see how they do. But yeah, this one is nice. Tease Me, Lies, Blissful, Pleasure, Kiss Me, Innocent, Fire. Like, hello, these names of these shadows. Sexy, Orgasm, Tempting, Charming, Nudes, Seduce Me, Please Me, Peaches, Classy, Dare Me, Lust, and Desire. So freaking cute. And you get 12 mattes and 7 shimmers. 12 mattes and 7 shimmers. It's a lot of shadows. And this was only $8 too. This is just a lovely palette. And you know what? It was so lovely that I wanted to share this with one of you guys. So I did pick up another one. It teased me. So this will be going in a giveaway box. So yes, stay tuned for that. Once I reach 2,500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. And this will be in there. So yes, if you like these colors, these neutral mauves, there's some gold champagne colors. Yes, honey, that will be in there. Okay, super cute. Okay, this one is by a different brand. Okay, because I know I was liking the Beauty Creation, but this is by Cara Beauty, and this is the Bronze Goddess palette. So I was playing with this because I seen a couple palettes in there that were bronzers, but this one looked like the best for my skin tone. So I'm going to open her up because I was playing with them and some of them were just coming out ashy, honey. Okay, let's get to the tea of this beauty blowout sale. So they say they have top-notch brands for a discounted price. There was no high-end makeup in there. I seen LA Girl. I saw Mika and another brand, I don't know the name, and those are all brands you can actually get off of what's it called, a store that Miss Shop USA. You can actually get all those brands at Shop Miss USA for $1, or you can go to your local beauty supply store and spend $1.99, $2, $3, anything less than $5. And they had a lot of those in there, so I kind of was just like, So I was trying to look at stuff that I've never heard of before or seen, and I didn't see this, and it looked like it was really nice on my skin when I swatched it. So let me take it out the box for y'all and stop running my mouth though. But yeah, I think they kind of misadvertised, but I still was going to pick some stuff up. I don't hate or discriminate, but yeah. But this one does not come with the mirror. It just has the name of the brand, which is Cara Beauty. And these are the shades. So at the top, we have Ambience, which is this one right here. Then we have ORB right here. And then this is Radiance. And then for the contours, we have Cocoa, we have Terracotta, and we have Coffee. So let me move this slip. When I was swatching this in the store, this looked really good. This looked like it would be a really good contouring powder, give me the shadows. This was a little too light, but I feel like maybe I can like set my face or something with it. Or a highlight, and Cocoa's really light as well. As far as the shimmers, they all looked good on my skin tone, and I swatched them on my daughter. They looked good on her skin tone as well. So yes, we definitely gonna be doing this in a video and trying it out and see how it goes. But those are all the palettes that I picked up. So let me get these out the way, okay? Alright, so now, last but not least, I got a mirror from Creation Beauty. Yes, it's a 20 LED makeup mirror. It features 20 LED lights, smart touch switch, before and after, about 360 rotation. Storage tray for accessories, requires 4 AA batteries. So the description of the parts is a mirror, LED light, on and off switch, smart touch switch, and a stand, and a storage tray, which I needed one of these. I have bought a light off of Amazon and it doesn't work well for me. It was one of those mirrors that has the built-in light, but on one side it was a regular mirror, on the other side it magnified up to 10 times. And I couldn't use the magnifying side, and the regular side I can barely use because it's a small little circle. Well, they had these mirrors set up, and I seen a couple beauty gurus use this mirror. And so when I seen it there set up, I said, well, let me see how this looks and if it would be good for me. Because if you guys do not know, I am blind as a bat, and even with my contacts in, they just don't feel like my prescription is strong enough. So there's times that I feel like I need to be closer to the mirror. So I need a big mirror, or a mirror that's going to magnify. And this mirror is big enough for me to see my face good and clear. And the lighting on here is good because the lighting on the mirror that I got from Amazon is not good. I would not recommend that mirror. I don't know the name of the brand. I will link that down below and say do not buy, okay? Because it was the worst mirror possible for me. But this one is definitely going to work good, and hopefully I could do even better makeup videos for you guys, because I won't be limited to not being able to see my face and having to put something really, really close up, which be blocking my lighting, okay? Well, I knew I had picked something else up, but it was stuck to the bottom of the mirror because I guess there's some like magnet in there or something. But I bought another clip, and this is so freaking gorgeous. It is like a butterfly. Oh my God, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is a butterfly. It is so gorgeous, and you guys know I love butterflies, so yes. But yeah, this is so cute, and I think these was only like $1. That's why I was just like, ooh, gonna grab these because I need a couple. But yes, I am pleased and happy with everything that I did pick up. Would I ever go back to the Makeup Blowout Sale again? Probably not, because I have a lot of makeup. You know, a lot of this stuff I bought because I wanted it, and it was just like, ooh, I want to try it. I have a lot of makeup. I have drugstore, high-end, I mean, you know what I'm saying? So, and a lot of affordable makeup. So I just don't want, it's not worth it to go back to for me. I mean, I did pick up some great items. If you liked anything that I got, they even had body skincare products like masks and scrubs and body creams. They had a lot going on. So if you're trying to build your collection up, I do say go to one of these that pop up into your city, because it is a great buy if you're trying to stock up your collection on things. But if you already have the collection and you're just looking for bits and pieces to add to it, I mean, you may find some things, but, I mean, of course, I found some things. I'm always finding things, but I probably wouldn't go back personally. So, but I am happy about this mirror. I mean, I know they have this on Amazon, and I was going to pick one up, but, hey, it was there, and I was like, all right, and I paid $20 for the mirror. So, yeah, that's all I have for today. Comment down below, what did you like out of this haul. I'm definitely going to do a couple reviews on the makeup palettes so we can see how they perform and so forth. I mean, I did swatches on my hand at the place, but we're going to see how they perform. And definitely try out that bronzing palette as well. So, yes. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, and you won't miss out when I do hauls like these. Yes, but until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.